Right. I'm playing on gym because MMC is just something else. There's too many cheaters right now. I really can't be arsed. So we're starting off at like 1700. Actually no, I fell off hard. Guess someone got banned for cheating. 1600 something. My mouse broke, so I can now do this and click 25. Might actually win some fights. Okay, this guy also clicks 20. This server's KB is awful to say the least, but they do refund ELO when a cheater gets banned, so it's still better than MMC, more playable. But yeah, the KB is just not it. And the pearls are also super wacky, like you can see there. I don't even know what happened. And there's like way too many default ELO gamers that just sweat their lives off. And I can't aim. Yeah. Also, the kit is 4 speed by default, and you can't change it, which is kind of AIDS. It just turns into drinking speed at like 50 seconds, trying to get that like 2 free hits. I'm not very good on this KB, but I clicked 20, so if I lose, it's my fault. Alright. I think he re-speeded. Yeah, he did. Otherwise, he would have done it now. Oh. I swear on this KB, people just get the weirdest double hits. It's not really fun. Alright, he potted me, keep up pressure. Like that. What did bro do to deserve that? Ah, okay, he's out. How much elo was he? Wait, he was 1800? Alright, free. Sure. I'll take it. Right, he has to pot. I'm up health. Yeah. Play better. But he is 1300 though. So, he's in queue again. Might just have to tell the 1800 guy to queue me, but he might be mauling, I don't know. As this guy is just not giving any elo. And he's like still not completely awful. Like I quickied him the first fight because he can't play, but if he like sweats because he's weird and cares about his 3 elo, then I might have to like play a full fight just for my 3 elo. Oh, this is not good. I got out lucky. Alright. Pressure, pressure. Like, pearls on this server just have no reach. I don't know what it is. They just can't hit. Oh my god. Get good. Pot at me, it doesn't really matter. It's like a few hearts, but alright, he's in the corner. I don't know why I'm like even sweating this right now. He's just free. Did not get a back hit there. Because of the KB, I have like no horizontal knockback. Back hits are crazy on here. It's not fun. It's not about comboing, it's just about winning trades by annoying jump spamming and then he did not pot, so I can do this. Alright, I'm on MMC now because there's no gamers on gym, only negative elo people. So we're starting out at 1100 flat. Try to get 1150 maybe. If people queue. Alright. He is barely positive with 40. He might be legit. Also has 50 ping, which is annoying. Oh, I didn't pot. That was not good. If he had read me there and pearled, I would have been in some deep trouble. He's legit, so shout out goal 1 kill. Alright, we eat. He ate 2, no point in pearling or something. Oh, what a gamer. He's shitting on me. Oh, he's actually shitting on me. No way. Yeah, we both re-speed. Both had it ready. Okay, he can't pearl. That was good. Can I eat here? I can't. He won't let me. He's on me. Don't think he potted though. Yeah. Rat like a book. I don't think he got all of that pot when I pearled on him. Should have had a pearl there. Would have also made him miss. Okay, for some reason he respeeded there. don't matter. Oh, that was such a poor eat. But he doesn't have a pearl, or he doesn't feel like aggroing me, so. Atrocious pearl. Almost quickied. Okay, he missed. Yeah, he's out. Would have been close if he didn't miss there. This guy is 1100, almost flat. If he's legit, we can get some DC. He'll have a good fight. If he's not legit, that was a good hit select. We're winning. His knockback is weird. He might be cheating and just bad, and he could toggle it up anytime. Yeah, he's cheating. But he kinda bad though. He kinda bad. 15 elo. We take those. $1,250. If he's legit and we win this, we're so up. Wasted pearl. I also completely whiffed mine, but I got 2 free hits. He got a very, very sketchy double hit. Does he want to eat? He wants to eat. I think we're winning right now. Unlucky he throwed out there. Does he want to speed? He also wants to speed. What a gamer. What the fuck? I always use the server being... Yeah, it's laggy. Might be me. That would suck if it's me. Don't think so though. I'm such a degen getting that crit. Oh, that's unlucky. I would be so mad if that happened to me. I would be so mad. NKD, also 1250. He might not be as legit as the other guy. I don't think this guy is as legit as the other guy was. Actually, I'm cooking. Oi, I'm crazy. Crazy at the craft. Eat here. very poor play. Speed? He doesn't want to speed. He's not a gamer. Now he wants to speed. Oh, I did not speed. Now that's not good. Wait. Oh, he's nice. No way. He gave me my speed. I can't eat yet. He only got one hit. He popped the wall. I got good hits. I think he did not get all of that. Get that rat crit in. Priez, eat. Almost caught his pearl, but he got a. Ah, I did not have my pearl there. I would miss some good. I think he missed. Two potted. Alright, 1169. I think that's a good spot to end it off. We stay gaming. I love you, Goozle.